Saitama is currently valued at 0.002 and the EMA 50 is explicitly valued at 0.00005940, which is genuinely significant. The cost of Saitama has essentially fallen by 0.62 in the previous 24 hours or so they truly thought so. Thomas fundamentally intraday volume sort of stands at 1187,790, which is genuinely significant. July 19, 2023. In this video, we will normally lead you through the Saitama cost examination for now or for around a week from now and attempt to address these frequently obtained clarification on pressing difficulties facts. What is clearly transient cost expectation for Saitama genuinely is Saitama, a kind of Y is interest in a sort of large manner Saitama V2 support and obstruction levels, and so on. Be that as it may, before delving further into the Saitama specialized investigation, let us first analyze the essentially current economic problems in a very significant manner. Market investigation over the most recent 24 hours revealed a loss of 1.84. Bringing the fundamentally entire digital currency market to 1,198,816,136,743, or so they specifically thought. The fundamentally entire exchanging volume in a genuine sense remains at 30,093,17822, so market investigation over the most recent 24 hours revealed a loss of 1.84. Bringing the fundamentally entire digital currency market to 1,198,816,136,743, or so they specifically thought. 198816136,6743 sincerely opposes mainstream thinking. Bitcoin has 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they thought, which resulted in Bitcoin's cost dropping down to 29,837.66 after a decay of 0.14%. Which explicitly is genuinely huge. Various elected digital forms of money as Ethereum has seen a cost increment of 0.15%, coming to 1899.9 cents amid the previous 24 hours. Which explicitly is genuinely huge, while distributing this Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after seeing a 0.77 decrease in esteem. Truly further demonstrate how Bitcoin shares 48.37 of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33 and a genuinely significant manner. These events particularly show that the market sort of is going in and in every practical sense descending, heading for truly momentary in an unobtrusive way. As of now, a genuinely broad negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto Saitama backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to for the most part distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which certainly is genuinely huge. Support really is a level at which purchasers especially become commonly more kind of dynamic and basically prevent the coin as cost from falling any further, showing how well distributing this blog XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65 inside a similar time span, which by and large is very huge. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which vendors especially become move exceptionally dynamic and especially prevent the coin as costs from moving higher, which sort of shows that similarly obstruction basically is a level at which merchants especially become move sort of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which especially is very critical. Following really are the help and obstruction levels of Saitama. Execution of Saitama. Saitama has basically recorded a downtrend, losing 0.62 in the most recent 24 hours in a fundamentally significant way. The sort of current worth of Saitama certainly is drifting at 0.0002 with the exchanging volume of 1187,790 United States dollars and the equivalent time span. So the cost of Saitama for the most part has fallen by 0.62 in the most recent 24 hours, or so they particularly thought. The truly generally market cap for Saitama is 719,472.43, United Street Saitama value. Assessment. Saitama cost investigation scheduled for July 19, 2023 insight of fundamentally day-to-day time span basically made sense beneath, showing how BNB, the sort of local coin of BNB, generally is up by 0.18 and is currently exchanging at 240.64 cents, or so they generally thought. We use pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal intermingling and difference mapped backing levels, blockage levels, distinct time span moving midpoints, including completely simple moving, unquestionably normal tiny and amazing moving, and frequently normal EMA2. In every practical sense, examine the future development of the Saitama, showing that Saitama backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which especially is genuinely critical. The MACD line sort of is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after hybrid, which in every practical sense shows that yet prior to plunging truly profound into the Saitama specialized examination essential, let us explicitly discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations in an unobtrusive way. Saitama financial backers need to sort of sit tight for any directional change over the everyday graph, exhibiting that similarly opposition basically is a level at which dealers in every way that really matters become move fundamentally dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which for the most part shows that similarly obstruction basically is a level at which merchants explicitly become move especially dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher in a kind of enormous manner, while Saitama's Williams percent R pointer fundamentally is at 68.196 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a non-partisan conditioned in every practical sense. A trade especially signal is somewhat conceivable at this level, which sort of shows what generally caused Bitcoin as cost dropping down to 29,1837.66 level after a decay of 0.14, which basically is genuinely huge. The very relative strength file RSI for Saitama coin by 0.14. Bitcoin price prediction as the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision gets closer. Has Bitcoin already hit bottom? The next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, is planned for Wednesday, and market participants are eagerly waiting to see what happens and how it might affect Bitcoin and other financial assets. As the FOMC meets to decide on the federal interest rate, the cryptocurrency market is tense. Investors are asking if Bitcoin has already hit its bottom or if there will be more volatility in the future. At the time this was written, one Bitcoin was worth $29,260, and its 24-hour trade volume was a whopping $11.8 billion. The choices made by the FOMC could have a big effect on where Bitcoin's price goes and how people feel about the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Let's take a look at the technical side of the market and see what we can figure out about the